I hope you all are safe and healthy and also enjoying. Students, when do you feel hungry? What do? You eat, right? And what do you eat? You eat rice, dal, chapati, fruits or vegetables, right? So what do we call them? We call them food. So today we are heading to a new chapter. The name of our chapter is Food We Eat and the number of our chapter is chapter 4. So open your EVS book. This is how your EVS book looks like. Okay. Now quickly turn to page number 33. When do we eat food? We eat food when we feel hungry. Okay. So food helps us grow strong and healthy. We eat food because it helps us grow stronger and healthy. We eat food when we feel hungry. Okay, when we are hungry, what do? We eat food, right? We eat vegetables, we eat fruits, we eat nuts, or we eat rice, chapati, right? So we eat food because food helps us in making our body strong and healthy. Food helps us grow stronger and healthy. Food makes our bones and muscles strong, our immune system strong. Food makes our brain sharp. Okay? We need food to get energy, to get vitamins, to get minerals, to get fibers. Food gives us energy to work and play. We love to play, right? And we also study, we also do work. So food helps us give energy to do work and to play the games we like. Okay? So food helps in growing our body. Food helps in growing us stronger and healthy. So what does food do? Food helps us to grow stronger and healthy. Again, repeat. Now repeat after me, okay? Food helps us to grow strong and healthy. Now we will study the types of the food. We have many types of foods, right? We eat fruits, we eat vegetables, we eat cereals, we eat nuts, eggs, fish and milk. There are so many types of fruits, okay? We eat different kinds of fruit. We eat fruits like mango, apple, pineapple, banana, papaya. They are called fruits. We eat fruits and there are so many types of fruits like apple, mango, papaya, banana, right? And we also eat nuts. Nuts like almonds, peanuts, groundnuts, walnuts, cashew nuts. We also eat nuts. Nuts help us to sharpen our brain and memory. Okay? Nuts are useful to sharpen your memory. Always try to have 2 to 3 nuts every day. We also eat vegetables. We eat vegetables such as potatoes, onions, radish, carrot, cauliflower, turnip and spinach. We also eat vegetables. What kind of vegetables do we eat? We eat cauliflower, we eat cabbage, we eat potatoes, we also eat spinach, turnip, tomatoes, right? They are vegetables. So we eat fruits, we eat vegetables, we eat nuts. Now another type is we eat cereals. What are cereals? Cereals are the grains like dal, rice and chapati. Cereals are rice, dal and chapati. Okay? Wheat, rice, dal, gram are the grains and the cereals. Okay? We also eat cereals. We eat fruits, we eat vegetables, we eat cereals, we eat nuts. And now look at the book. Have a look here. See. This is how rice looks. We eat rice, right? And rice is a grain. Rice is a cereal. We also eat chapati. Chapati is made out of wheat. Wheat is a grain or a cereal. We also eat dal. Dal is a pulses. Okay? And we eat vegetables. We eat fruits. We eat nuts. Nuts like walnuts, almonds. And we eat fruits like banana, apple, cauliflower. And we eat vegetables like brinjal, potato, cauliflower and cabbage. We also eat eggs, fish and meat. Non-vegetarians eat eggs, fish and meat. Eggs, fish and meat helps you provide proteins. Okay? Eggs, fish and meat provide you the sufficient amount of protein which your body requires. Okay? Now there is another food product which is milk. Most of the students do not like to drink milk, but there are so many benefits of milk. We also drink and we eat milk products. Okay? So what kind of foods we eat? We eat fruits, we eat vegetables, we eat cereals, we eat nuts, eggs, fish, meats, and most important part is milk. We drink milk and we eat milk products. The products which are made of milk are called milk products, like curd. Okay? Butter, ghee and paneer. Curd, butter, ghee and paneer are milk products because they are made from milk. So anything which is made out of milk is called milk products. So what do we eat? We eat various types of food items like fruits such as apple, mango, bananas, pineapple, papaya, and vegetables such as cauliflower, cabbage, turnip, potatoes and spinach. We eat cereals such as rice, dal, chapati. Rice is a seed and dal is pulses and chapati is made of wheat, and wheat is also a grain, it is a seed. So cereals and grains are the seed of the plants. We also eat nuts. Nuts are also the seed of the plants. We eat nuts like almond, cashew nuts and walnuts. Okay? We also eat eggs, fish and meat. Eggs, fish and meat comes from animal. We eat eggs, right? We eat fish and meat. And try to eat one egg each day. Okay? It gives you a good amount of protein. And we also eat milk products. We drink milk. Products like curd, butter, ghee and paneer are made from milk and therefore they are called milk products. Anything which is made out of milk is called milk product. Okay? And water is also an essential part of our meal. Try to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Okay? 8 to 10 glasses of of water every day. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Water is also an essential part of our food. It helps in digestion. It removes the toxins and harmful things from your body. So try to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Now we will discuss raw food and cooked food. Okay? There are two types of foods. First one is cooked food, another one is raw food. Okay? Now we will learn about cooked food and raw food. Many food items need to be cooked before we eat. We should always wash the food items before cooking. Food can be cooked in water or oil. Cooking food with spices makes the food tasty. Okay? So, what kind of cooked food are? There are some foods which we cook before eating, like we cook rice, we cook dal, and we cook potatoes. These are the foods which we cook before eating, because rice, dal and potato cannot be eaten raw. We cannot eat these food items raw. So, rice, dal and potato, we have to cook rice, dal and potatoes before eating. We can cook food in water or in oil. Okay, we can boil our food or we can fry our food. Cooking food with spices makes the food tasty. When we add spices to the foods, we cook food, right? We cook rice and dal, but when we add spices to this, when we add spices to dal, it becomes more tasty, right? When we add spices to vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, it becomes more tasty. So to enhance the taste, we add spices to the food. So the food which are cooked before eating, they are called cooked food. And we add spices to the foods to make the food tasty. And there is a picture of cooked food. See, in this picture you can see there is rice, chapati, papad, dal and different types of vegetables on a plate. These food items are cooked and therefore they are called cooked food. And we have another food item which is raw food. Now, what is raw food? Raw food are the foods which we eat without even cooking it. We can eat raw foods without cooking. We eat some food like cucumber, carrot without cooking. Okay? Some examples of raw food are carrot, cucumber, nuts. We eat carrot, we eat cucumber, right? We eat apple as well. So we do not have to cook apple, carrot and cucumber before eating. Apple is a fruit, we do not have to cook apple, we do not have to cook the carrot, we do not have to cook the cucumber before eating. We can eat them raw. We can eat raw nuts as well. Okay, nuts can be eaten raw. There are many types of nuts. Walnut, cashew nut, almond. Okay, walnuts, cashew nuts and almonds are the types of the nuts which we do not have to cook. We can eat them raw. We can eat tomatoes raw, we can eat cucumber raw, we can eat some leaves also raw. Now we have different meals in a day. Okay, we have around 3 meals a day, at least 3 meals a day. Okay, meals in a day, we have 3 meals in a day, at least 3. First one is breakfast, another one is lunch, and the third one is dinner. There are 3 types of meal we have: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast is eaten at what time? Breakfast is eaten in morning. We eat breakfast in the morning. We eat eggs, breads or chapatis in the morning as a breakfast. So we eat breakfast in the morning. It is our first meal of the day. Our second meal of the day is lunch. We have our lunch in the afternoon. In afternoon, we have our lunch for around 12 to 1 p.m. We have our lunch in the afternoon. Lunch is our second meal. Okay? And our third and the last meal is dinner. We have dinner at night. We eat dinner at night. Now read with me. We have 3 meals in a day. In the morning we have breakfast. In the afternoon we have lunch. And at night we have dinner. Here is a picture. You can see a family is eating breakfast. In the first picture, the family is eating breakfast. In breakfast we have tea, milk, cornflakes, eggs and breads. And in the second picture, the family is eating lunch. In lunch people eat fish, chicken, dal, pulses, chapati and rice. And at night, in this picture, family is having their dinner, and at night we can have soups, rice or pulses. Okay? Now, read with me. Where does the food come from? We eat food, right? We eat rice, dal, chapati, vegetables, fruits, nuts, paneer, milk. Where does they come from? They come from 2 places. Okay? There are 2 things they come from. First one is food we eat mainly comes from plants. Plants and animals. The food we eat mainly comes from plants and animals. The plant items are fruits, vegetables, nuts. We get vegetables, fruits and nuts, pulses, cereals. We get fruits, vegetables, nuts, pulses and cereals from plants. These food items are plant-based food items. Okay, they are plant-based. And animals. We get eggs, fish, meat, milk. We get eggs, fish, meat and milk from animals. So these food items are animal based. There are 2 main sources of food, plants and animals. Okay? So we get fruits and vegetables from plants and eggs and fishes from animals. Now there are some good habits. Okay? Good eating habits. Now read with me. Below are some habits that we should follow. Good habits should be followed every day. Okay? We should always wash our hands right? Whenever you students eat, whatever you eat, always wash your hands perfectly and properly from soap. Use a soap and water and wash your hands perfectly and then eat your food. Okay, so first good habit is we should always wash our hands before eating. Second good habit is we should eat food healthy. Tell your mom to make healthy food items for you and eat those healthy food items. Okay, because if you eat healthy, you stay healthy. Healthy food will lead you to healthy life. So always try to have healthy food items. Third point is we should not waste food. Whichever food is there in your plate, always try to finish it up and do not waste the food which is there in your plate. Always try to save food and do not waste food. If you want to eat a little amount, ask your parents to give you that much amount only and eat that. Do not waste your food. Okay? Try to save food and try to finish all the food items which is there in your plate. Now fourth good habit is we should always cover food and drinking water. We have foods and we have drinking water. Always try to cover them. Okay? Never eat or drink which is not covered. Never eat or drink those food items. Always cover your food and always cover your drinking water. Always cover your glass and always cover your utensils in which you are eating. So always cover your food items. Now fifth good habit is we should store food in clean utensils. Keep your utensils clean, wash them from soap and water and then put your food into that utensils. First clean those utensils and then put your food into this and then cover it. It is a good habit. Okay, always keep your food in washed and clean utensils. And now the last habit is we should never eat uncovered food. Any food which is not covered, okay, any glass or any food item which is not covered, try to avoid taking them. Do not take them, okay. Food which are covered, only eat those food which are covered and say no to those food which are not covered. Now turn the page. Now we will study need and respect for food. Now read with me, okay? We need food to survive. We need food to live, to exist, okay? Because food gives you energy, food gives you vitamins, minerals and proteins. So we need food to live. We should eat the different kinds of food even though we may like a certain kind of food more than others. Some students like pizzas and burgers and some like dal, rice, chapati, right? So, some students like rice, some like pizza, some like to eat dal and some like to eat fruits. Okay? Even if you like to eat fruits, you should also eat dal and rice. And if you only like to eat rice and dal, you should also have fruits in your diet. We should not be too picky about the food that we eat. If you eat only fruits, don't be so picky. Okay? Try to eat rice, dal, vegetables, fruits and nuts. We should be thankful that we are getting food and we must respect our food. You are getting a plate full of food, okay? Respect this plate and respect your food. There are so many persons in this world who are not getting proper food or they are not at all getting food. So respect what you are eating and respect the food on your plate and try to finish it and do not waste the food. Now we will study food for different people. Now read with me, okay? Different people eat different kinds of food. There are so many people in this world. They eat different kinds of food. Different age groups eat different kinds of foods, okay? Very small children drink only milk and eat cooked and mashed food. The children who are very small, like infants, they only drink milk and they eat cooked and mashed food. Mashed food are the foods which are boiled and crushed. They are called mashed food. The food which are boiled and crushed are called mashed food. Mashed and cooked food are given to small children. Okay? Growing children need a lot of nutritious food to help them to grow strong and healthy. The children who are growing, like children of age 3 to 5 up to the age 10, they need nutritious food for growing. Growing children like 3 years old children or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old children needs nutritious food, a food which has a good amount of nutrition in it. This will help them grow strong and healthy. Children eat food that is less spicy and is cooked with less oil. Food for children are less spicy and less oily. They eat more of the healthy food. Okay, so healthy food has less spices and less oil. So children eat food according to their age groups. Sick people also eat food cooked in less oil and less spices. Because they are sick, so they have to eat food which is cooked with less spices and less oil. Sick people also eat healthy food to fight the diseases they are been suffering. Like young children, old people also like to eat soft such as khichdi, dalia and soups. Young children also eat mashed and cooked food. Just like that, old people, our senior citizens, old people also eat foods which are mashed and cooked, such as khichdi, dalia, porridge and soups. Okay. Now we will study food on special occasions. Some food items are specially prepared in our homes during festivals. During festivals, we prepare new dishes or the dishes which are prepared on festivals. We prepare those dishes on festival, right? Those sweets or those special recipes. During Holi, we prepare and eat the sweet gujia. During Holi, people prepare gujiyas. See, this is how a gujia looks like. During Holi, people prepare a sweet which resembles this. Okay, a sweet. It is called gujia. During Holi, people prepare gujia and people eat gujia. Okay, a special dish is made by boiling rice with milk and jaggery during Pongal. So Pongal is the festival which is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, and Tamil people make a sweet dish on that day which is made from boiling rice with milk and jaggery. Sevaiya is a special dish that we eat during Eid. So on Eid, we prepare sevaiya and we distribute sevaiya among us. People in Rajasthan eat a special sweet called ghevar during Tej festival. So Tej festival is celebrated where? Tej festival is celebrated in Rajasthan, and people of that place eat a sweet which is special at that place for that festival. It is called Ghevar. And now we will study about modak. Okay, modak is also a special sweet made during Ganesh Chaturthi. During Ganesh Chaturthi, a special sweet is prepared for Ganesh. It is called modak. And sandesh, a sweet made of condensed milk, is also distributed during festivals. There is another sweet dish. It is called sandesh. It is made of condensed milk and is also prepared in different types of festivals. Okay, sandesh looks like this. See, this is how a sandesh looks like. So, today we learned about food we eat, why do we eat food, and what kind of foods we eat, raw food, cooked food, and how many meals do we eat in a day, and where does our food comes from animals or from plants. And we also learned about good habits, and we should respect our food items, and food for different people, different age group people eat different types of food. And we also learned about food on special occasions which are prepared on festivals. So that's all for today. Now we will move to the exercise part. Okay? Number 8, choose the correct answer. You have to choose the correct answer. Okay? First one is, we need food to grow strong or weak. We need food to grow strong. Second question is, onion or mango is a vegetable. Onion is a vegetable and mango is a fruit. So the answer is onion. Onion is a vegetable. We get milk from plants or animals. We get milk from animals and not plants. We should always wash our hands and toes before eating. We should always wash our hands before eating. We should store food in a clean or dirty utensil. We should store food in a clean utensil, in a washed utensil. Now question number B is, write T for true and F for false. First question is, we eat only cooked food. Is it yes or no? False. We eat raw and cooked food. We eat both the foods, so it is false. We should have milk once in a week. Is it? No. False. We should have milk every day. So it is false. We should not wash our hands before eating. False. We should always wash our hands before eating. Remember this, okay? We should never waste food. True. Always try to finish your foods and never waste your food. So the answer is true. We should wash the utensils in which we store food. We should always wash the utensils. So it is true. Now turn the page. We have another question, which is question number C. Answer the following questions. First one is, why do we need food? We need food to grow strong and healthy. Why do we need food? We need food to grow strong and healthy. Second question is, name 3 foods that we eat raw. The 3 foods that we eat raw are cucumber, carrot, fruits. You can also write apple, papaya, tomatoes, okay? And the third question is, name the 3 meals that we have in a day. The 3 meals that we have in a day are breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner at night. Name 2 food items that we get from plants. Vegetables and fruits are the 2 food items that we get from plants. Now question number 5 is, when do we eat food? When we feel hungry, we eat food. When do we eat food? When we feel hungry. And you have a homework to do on page number 38, question number E. Question number E is question number 3, okay? Collect pictures of food we get from animals and food we get from plants. Paste them in your scrapbook, okay? Collect pictures of food items which we get from plants and animals. We get apple, nuts, okay? So collect pictures of apple, nuts, fruit and vegetables which we get from plants and paste it in your scrapbook, and the food items which we get from animal like milk, paneer, milk, meat, fish. So we get milk, fish, meat, eggs from animals. So collect those pictures and paste in your scrapbook. Now see question number D. Go to page number 38. Question number D. This is a sweet dish, okay? So the question is, name the food item. Name, what is this? This is gujia. So you have to write gujia. During which festival it is made? During which festival this sweet dish is made? It is made during Holi. Name some other food items we prepare specially during festivals. Also name some food items which you and your family prepare during festivals, during different kinds of festivals, okay? So do your homework and you will get these answers from the school website. Thank you.